calm.
Sit down.
You're really intimidated.
I'm not trying to intimidate. Where do you want me to stand? There's nowhere to stand.
Well,
mate.
sit down then.
I'm not here to stand now. I'm here to talk to you.
You're bigger than me. I'm bigger than you. I'm bigger than you together.
Huh?
I'm bigger than you together. I want to stand up.
I want to stay seated.
Can we stand?
Yeah.
Nice meeting you here. I'm really fucking sorry, yeah. It turned out like this, you know what I mean?
You need to forget about that vodka.
Have I done that wrong, Rob? Have I done that wrong?
You haven't done anything wrong, but you do need to forget about that vodka and just get yourself home. And they'll be right with you as long as you don't start carrying on. It's a bottle of vodka, it's nothing.
I'm not trying to intimidate you, mate. It's limited space. Limited space. You can only do it.
You haven't done anything wrong, but don't worry about that vodka, that's nothing. Get yourself home.
Oh, look at a beautiful photo here.
You're going to squeeze past. Do you want to start falling down here? Sammy, you'll say, do you want to go?
Okay.
We can start offloading from the front, can't we?
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, kid.
There, mate. Just let us. There's so many people out. We will let them out. We'll just.
I thought he was getting out.
Yeah, as soon as these people move, mate, there's room. Very little room as it is. Please, mate. Yeah.
I'm really fucking sorry, yeah.
It's okay. Yeah.
Don't worry, don't stress out, it's fine.
So you can now free to disembark the aeroplane. We suggest that you come forward to the front of the aeroplane and disembark here at the front desk. Thank you once again.
Do you want to let this lady in? And then we'll have a look at
Sorry.
Sorry.
Right, I feel that.
Call the office and they'll get in touch with us and they can either pass you on as well.